Who wants a cup of Tandy's tea? You over there? You want a cup? I'm sure you do. Look at this hair though. Yes. And I don't really like. I guess they don't like it. Or maybe they do. If somebody honks a horn at you, doesn't that mean that they like you? Hey you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the Glitter Gang. If you would, go ahead and subscribe because I am quite sure you're gonna like this video, okay? We come here every week with new videos. And if you're returning, you guys already know the love is forever appreciated. So you guys, let's talk hair. Hunny Bun just launched their new wig collection. The new wig collection consists of full lace wigs. I am shooketh. First of all, I was so anxious to get my hands on some of the curly hair because I did get body waves the last time that I got some Hunny Bun hair. Even the wig that I made was body wave, so I'm anxious to play around in the Hunny Bun curly hair in my future videos. Guys, make sure that you are subscribed and hit that notification button. If you like this wig and you want to know how I installed it, just stay tuned. Starting out, I already have my foundation down. I just braid my hair going straight back, and then I put on my cap. You want to get a flesh tone cap, okay? Whatever your flesh is toned, whatever color your flesh is, like you want to make sure that you match it as much as possible, even using some kind of foundation to, you know, make sure that it matches your skin. And you want to make sure that you're pulling the cap down forward, especially if you got a big forehead like me. Like, you probably won't be able to see. My face is mostly forehead, like it covers about 45% of my head. Wow. I really have to pull mine all the way down in order to make sure that I'm able to conceal the sides, because you guys see this? Like, if I didn't, this would be like my hair. And after that, you're going to apply either your Got2b glue. I don't have any Got2b glue on me right now. I actually ran out. So what I've been using is the Gorilla Snot gel. For me personally, it works just as good as the Got2b, so you guys can try this out as well. You just put the Gorilla Snot over the cap, go in with your blow dryer on a cool setting. You guys, this is very important. Use a cool setting to blow dry it dry, and make sure it dries down all the way. You don't want to apply it when it is still wet. You want it to get tacky, not wet. I hope that makes sense. And then you're gonna go in with your Got2b free spray, okay? The Got2b free spray is going to set everything, and go back in a couple different layers if you need to. I like to do just one layer personally for me, because I don't know, I just feel like all that product on my skin, it doesn't sit well with me. And I actually glued this wig down, so you guys see, like, not going anywhere. I use the Ghost Bond glue. You can pick that up at any beauty supply store. I think it's like 20 bucks. Make sure that the glue that you put on your wig, that you put on your skin, make sure that that is smooth, okay? You use the end of your comb. I'm using the end of my scissors. Make sure that it's smooth though, because it's going to make for a more seamless blend. Once it is all dry, you want to start applying your wig. So just throw that wig on. After that, you want to wrap it up, let it sit for maybe about 20-30 minutes. That's what I usually do. Usually about 15-20 minutes, let me be honest. Or as long as I can, because I'm always on the go. And then yeah, you guys, like, that's it. Like, that literally is how you install your wig using this method. Hunny Bun has some really good hair. Like, there's minimal shedding. I get a little bit of shedding from this wig only because I did touch up the hairline a little bit. The hairline does come natural. What's gonna set your wig apart from looking busted to trusted is going to be the customization of it. I don't want to tell you that you can't over customize it, but you definitely should customize it as much as possible so that it can look the most natural. There are no combs in it. If you don't like to glue down your wigs, you're gonna have to sew your own combs onto this wig. I think that's really like the only downfall I can find as of right now on this wig. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated on my thoughts about this hair. Because this is a new line that they are launching, so we're here for the tea, and Tandy's gonna spill it. This wig, as of right now, has no product in it, so you guys can see the full total luster of the hair. Like, you guys can see the movement. I didn't lay down the back, y'all. Y'all know how I be. This is actually my first full lace wig, so I'll definitely be giving you guys some tips pointers, you know, how to style, because with a full lace wig, you guys, you can do just about any style. Definitely think I want to add in some color, like maybe go a little bit lighter. Let me know in the comments down below, should we bleach this hair or not? I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification button too, because apparently YouTube doesn't notify you guys whenever we upload things. So you might want to do that because you might just miss the next video, and I wouldn't want that to happen to you. Bye guys.